Hey Alice, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another vlog. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love and appreciate you. So this video actually started on a birthday celebration where I lost most of the clips, but here is a bit of it. We celebrated this cute girl here with the happy birthday. Okay, yeah, then yeah, that was it, guys. Again, let's watch the rest of the video. Night girls. Which night? Okay, hi guys. So we're going to do some grocery shopping, run some errands. Big girl. So in this supermarket, I'm so scared of being a son. It's like now it's sweet, but it's different. This one is for the ages, for the corner. There's one more that I don't know to do that. I don't So hi artists. Today is Tuesday. I think I last vlogged yesterday when I was in the supermarket for grocery shopping. I didn't do a haul because I didn't get anything in the shop. I only bought tea leaves. I didn't get the things I was looking for. That's why I'm walking. That's why the lighting is doing this kind of. So right now I'm going to the chapel. I'm going to church actually. I'm going to the church, not to the chapel today. I'm going to the church, guys. I need something peaceful, guys. My brain has been going these days. So I'm going to the church to get some quality time with God. Because I can't do that in the hostel because I'm not staying alone. So, it's not possible. I don't know if you can hear me, guys. I'm always saying this because there are a lot of cars in the country. There are a lot of cars, a lot of bikes. Everything is a lot. But okay, guys, right now I'm going to the church. So we're talk when I come out.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's...
Hey artists, so Bagwetu, what is the day today? Okay, Friday, Kesana. And we are going to some field visit. Come with me, guys. Let's go with the kids, okay?
Am I gonna be famous?
Yeah, guys. It's hot. It is hot, guys. And I'm sweating. We are going on a field trip. with the Indian food. Yeah, let's go, guys, and see Gucci.
What is happening in
What
my
will
life?
we be doing? Yeah.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes.
So hi guys, we have arrived to the tourism place, I think. Hi shame, what happened?
Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us go. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too?
You know me.
It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see.
Yeah.
This is when tonight
So if this was Nigeria, this was going to be the evil forest, no doubt.
This is when the moments turn to
Hey artists, so yeah, we came back from the field visit. I tried like to record things there, and I tried to say something, but I couldn't because I was getting disturbed. But yeah, we are back now, and I am a student, so I have to go and write an assignment. Why? Because I like last minute. I repeat, don't be like me, guys. Don't be like me. So yeah, artists. So right now I am going to the library to write my assignment. Yeah, I am as tired as you can see. I don't know if it's evident, but I am very tired. But okay, last minute crew. I don't have a choice. I need to go to the library and write. Hope you're still enjoying the vlog. Someone is looking at me, son. I hope you're still enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I love you guys. Submitted and done. Hi, I'm proud of myself. Last minute girl to submit. Hair is a mess, but we keep on moving. Okay. Hi guys, it's another day. Today's Saturday, and we are going to the mall with the girls. It's been a while. So yeah, welcome back to another day in the same vlog. Yesterday we did that. Today we are doing something else. Okay.
next level music.
Chewy.
Gucci baby,
Funny boy.
you say you got me, but I know say you the lie with the look in your eyes. Stop acting funny. Sure you know they pick my call, I don't call you 10 times. Yeah, I love you, Wipe the tears from your face. Calm down. I don't feel good when I see my baby crying. And I got
Day in the mall is over. Going back to hostel. Tired, 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 tired.